Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be having a look at HFM. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. HFM is a premier online trading platform that has opened the doors to a realm of exciting trading opportunities. With a steadfast commitment to providing traders of all skill levels with cutting-edge tools and a secure trading environment, HFM stands as a beacon of innovation and excellence in the realm of online trading. As a trusted name in the trading industry, HFM offers a diverse range of financial instruments, including Forex, commodities, indices, and more. Whether you're an experienced trader or just starting your trading journey, their platform caters to your unique needs, offering intuitive features and real-time market data that empowers you to make informed decisions in a fast-paced market landscape. The heart of HFM lies in its dedication to enhancing the overall trading experience. With a user-friendly interface, advanced trading tools, and educational resources, their platform is designed to equip traders with the knowledge and insights needed to navigate the complexities of the financial markets. Security and transparency are at the core of their values, and HFM implements robust security measures to ensure the safety of your funds and personal information. HF Markets places paramount importance on creating a secure and transparent trading environment for their clients. Their dedication to upholding the highest regulatory standards is evidenced through their adherence to regulatory guidelines and industry best practices. HFM is regulated by the FSCA, the CYSEC, the FSA, the FCA, and more. HFM is dedicated to enhancing your trading experience, and their promotions are designed to do just that. From generous deposit bonuses to special trading contests, their promotions provides traders with unique opportunities to boost their trading capital and showcase their skills. These promotions are a testament to their commitment to rewarding your loyalty and supporting your trading aspirations. HFM offers a comprehensive selection of trading instruments that cater to a wide range of trading strategies and preferences. Their platform provides access to various markets, allowing traders to seize opportunities across different asset classes. These instruments include Forex, commodities, stocks, energies, indices, bonds, ETFs, and cryptocurrency trading. HFM offers a range of cutting-edge trading platforms that empower traders to navigate the financial markets with precision and confidence. These include MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the HFM proprietary mobile trading application. MetaTrader 4 is a robust and user-friendly solution designed to cater to traders of all levels. With its intuitive interface, advanced charting tools, and comprehensive suite of features, MetaTrader 4 stands as a versatile platform that empowers traders to navigate the financial markets with confidence. MetaTrader 5 is a cutting-edge solution designed to cater to the evolving needs of modern traders. With its enhanced features, diverse trading instruments, and advanced capabilities, MetaTrader 5 opens the door to a whole new level of trading excellence. It provides charting tools and technical indicators, which empowers traders to perform in-depth analysis and make well-informed trading decisions. HFM also offers its very own mobile trading application, which is an innovative solution that brings the world of trading to your fingertips. Whether you're on the go or prefer the convenience of mobile trading, their mobile application ensures you can stay connected to the markets and manage your trades with ease. HFM provides 4 main types of accounts, as well as swap-free trading conditions, demo accounts, and copy trading accounts. Their array of trading accounts ensures a seamless fit for every trading style and aspiration. The Zero account offered by HFM is a cutting-edge trading solution designed for traders who prioritize ultra-tight spreads and lightning-fast execution. This account type is tailored to provide a seamless trading experience for those who seek precision and efficiency in their trading strategies. With the Zero account, traders can enjoy spreads starting from 0 pips, allowing for direct access to interbank pricing and optimal trading conditions. This means that traders can execute their trades at minimal cost, maximizing their potential profits. The account is particularly well suited for scalpers, high-frequency traders, and those who engage in strategies that demand tight spreads. Their Cent account is a versatile trading option designed to provide traders with a unique opportunity to engage in the financial markets with lower risk exposure. Tailored for both beginners and experienced traders, the Cent account allows you to trade with smaller trade sizes while still experiencing the full functionality and benefits of a live trading environment. With the Cent account, traders can execute trades with smaller lot sizes, starting from 0.01 lots. This feature is particularly advantageous for those who want to test trading strategies, hone their skills, or manage their risk more effectively. It is an ideal account type for traders who are transitioning from demo accounts to live trading, allowing them to adapt to real market conditions at their own pace. HFM's Premium account is a pinnacle of trading excellence, meticulously designed to cater to the needs of traders seeking enhanced features and personalized support. Tailored for those who demand a superior trading experience, the Premium account offers a range of benefits that align with advanced trading strategies and aspirations. One of the standout features of the Premium account is the competitive spreads that provide favorable trading conditions. Traders can enjoy access to tighter spreads, allowing for cost-effective trading and potentially maximizing profit potential. This account type is particularly suitable for those who engage in strategies that require precise execution and minimal trading costs. HFM's Pro account is the ultimate choice for experienced traders who demand unparalleled trading capabilities and advanced features. Designed to cater to the needs of seasoned professionals, this account type provides a comprehensive suite of tools and resources to elevate your trading to the next level. The Pro account offers competitive spreads that allow traders to capitalize on market opportunities with precision. With direct access to interbank pricing, traders can enjoy tighter spreads, enabling them to execute trades at optimal levels. HFM's HF Copy feature offers an innovative approach to trading, allowing you to harness the power of social trading and follow the strategies of successful traders. This trading tool is designed for traders who want to benefit from the expertise of seasoned professionals while maintaining full control over their investment decisions. With the HF Copy Trading tool, you can select experienced traders to follow and automatically replicate their trades in your own account. This enables you to tap into the knowledge and strategies of top traders, potentially enhancing your trading results. Whether you are new to trading or looking to diversify your portfolio, HF Copy offers a unique opportunity to learn and profit simultaneously. HFM's swap-free trading conditions are designed for traders who wish to adhere to their religious beliefs or trading strategies that avoid interest charges. Also known as Islamic accounts, these swap-free accounts allow traders to engage in the financial markets without incurring overnight interest charges on positions held. HFM's Demo account provides traders with a risk-free environment to practice and refine their trading skills. Whether you're a beginner looking to learn the ropes or an experienced trader testing new strategies, the Demo account offers a simulated trading environment that mirrors real market conditions without using actual funds. The Demo account is an invaluable tool for building confidence with the trading process. It provides an opportunity to observe market movements, test theories, and fine-tune trading strategies before transitioning to live trading. It's also an excellent way to evaluate HFM's trading platform and features. Creating an account with HFM is simple and easy. Firstly, head over to their homepage on their website, and then click on the Register button. Complete the online registration form and verify your account. Next, you will be logged into the HFM client area. Here you can create live or demo accounts, manage your accounts, view your deposits and withdrawals, contact support, and much more. After your account has been set up, the next step would be to simply download and install your preferred trading platform. In our case, we decided to go with the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. Download and install your preferred trading platform, and then simply log in with your credentials, which will be provided after opening your account. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 4 trading platform with HFM. In the center of the dashboard, you have your graphs. On the left, your navigator and market watch. And at the top of the screen, a variety of tools and options that you can use. If you are new to trading and are new to the MetaTrader trading platforms, you can find a wide variety of educational content online or over on the MetaTrader official website to help you get started with understanding the basics of trading and platform functionality. HFM offers a hassle-free and secure process for deposits and withdrawals, ensuring that managing your trading funds is both convenient and reliable. Their user-friendly system is designed to provide traders with a seamless experience when funding their accounts or withdrawing their earnings. You can explore a variety of deposit options that cater to your preferences, such as bank transfers, credit or debit cards, and online payment systems. Their diverse range of deposit methods ensures that you can choose the option that best suits your needs and location. When it comes to withdrawals, HFM prioritizes prompt processing to ensure that you can access your funds swiftly. Their efficient withdrawal system is designed to provide timely and hassle-free access to your trading profits. HFM is committed to equipping traders with the knowledge and insights they need to excel in the financial markets. As such, they provide a comprehensive range of educational resources designed to cater to traders of all skill levels. Whether you're a beginner taking your first steps or an experienced trader looking to refine your strategies, you can explore a wealth of educational materials, including video tutorials, webinars, articles, and more. These resources cover a wide range of topics from the basics of Forex trading to advanced technical analysis and risk management strategies. Whether you're interested in learning about market trends, trading psychology, or specific trading tools, their educational content is designed to empower you with valuable insights. Educational resources are curated by industry experts with years of experience in the financial markets, which ensures that you're receiving accurate and up-to-date information that can truly impact your trading decisions. HFM also offers a comprehensive array of trading tools designed to enhance your trading experience and provide you with a competitive edge in the financial markets. Their suite of advanced tools are tailored to assist traders of all levels in making well-informed trading decisions and optimizing their trading strategies. You can explore a diverse range of trading tools, including economic calendars, market analysis, and real-time market data. These tools are designed to keep you updated on important market events, trends, and news that can impact your trading decisions. HFM also offers a dedicated platform for news and analysis, providing traders with valuable insights and information to stay ahead in the dynamic world of trading. Their comprehensive news and analysis platform is designed to keep you informed about market trends, economic events, and the latest developments that can impact your trading decisions. You can explore a wide range of news articles, market analysis, and expert commentary from seasoned analysts. Stay updated on key economic indicators, geopolitical events, and market-moving news. that can help influence your trading strategies. HFM has earned a distinguished reputation in the trading industry, evidenced through the numerous awards and accolades they have received. Their dedication to delivering excellence, innovation, and unparalleled services has been acknowledged by respected organizations and institutions. Some of the most recent awards HFM has received includes the Best Trading Accounts, the Top 100 Companies, Best Stock Broker, Best Online Trading Application, and many more. Overall, HFM stands as a dynamic and innovative force in the trading industry. With a comprehensive range of trading instruments, diverse account types, and advanced trading platforms, they empower traders of all levels to navigate the financial markets with confidence and precision. Their commitment to excellence is reflected not only in their numerous awards, but also in their dedication to providing exceptional customer support, educational resources, and cutting-edge trading tools. As you explore the world of trading with HFM, you're stepping into a realm where your aspirations are supported, your skills are nurtured, and your trading journey is enriched. So if you are interested, be sure to open your account with HFM today and explore a world of trading opportunities with a reputable and trustworthy broker. And that is our overview of HFM. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.